Hey, hello there everybody. Just a quick update on the carbon fiber fix. So I did go in yesterday to have this fixed and it's completed. As you can see, this area has been done. This whole panel has been done, and I was worried that it wasn't gonna match, but this is the original and this is the new one, so it matches pretty well, I would say. Don't you think? I think it matches. So that's pretty cool that it's all done. And they also fixed this glove box because it was kind of hanging. This wasn't closing properly. So the other side is also fixed over there. It's been completed. As you can see, those are the only two pieces that were really bad. So wanted to make sure I get you guys a quick update on how this transpired. No cost to me. So you know, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. So as you guys can see, it's all been repaired, and I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome. No problems getting it done. They got it done in less than half a day, so it was perfect. I'm hoping that the other pieces would not warp. It just remains to be seen, and I'm also happy that it matches the old trim. Also bought it in because there seems to be a slow leak on the oil, and this is, I guess, a known issue. I've seen it in the forums that there is the oil filter gasket goes bad. So if you just recently had an oil change, you might want to check your oil filter there, because mine was, you know, slowly dripping some oil. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions about this this fixed, you know, comment below. And in a future video, actually, I'm quite excited. I'm gonna make a video with my friend. He came by today with this 2014 Jeep SRT, and he had a RIP supercharger put in along with a cam swap. I don't know where he had it done, but it sounds pretty good. And he was telling me he was able to run 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 with a I believe 12.5 quarter mile on it, on performance tires. And you know, there's snow everywhere, as you can see. So I'm gonna go with him one day and record a video on how the Jeep runs. He said he was spinning all 4 tires as he was launching the Jeep, so that should be an awesome experience. So I'll make a video of that, and you know, stay tuned. But as far as this X77 warranty trim issue, it's all been fixed, so I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so stay positive, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.